the human design legal, the human design legal scandal. Is the human design system legally protected? I guess I'm just gonna have to hold my phone. Is the human design system legally protected though? The works of Alan Krakauer, also known as Ra Uru Hu, can be copyrighted, but a whole system, a whole idea cannot. A little backstory, and I'm going to describe it as best as I possibly can because I'm not a lawyer. I don't have a lot of knowledge in the field of law, but I do have some knowledge in the field of human design. And so, in 2019, a book was published by Chetan Parkin, and it was called Human Design. And the group HD Italia did not like that, and so they filed a lawsuit against Chetan. And they were saying that nobody except Human Design Italia could publish a book in Italy on human design. Okay, I'm going to read this part verbatim so that I don't mess it up. After a speedy trial, the judge thought otherwise. His decision stated no evidence has been provided by the claimants to prove that they had exclusive rights on the human design system or its teachings. Those teaching covers ideas, procedures, methodologies of representation that can be freely talked about, mentioned, and illustrated even by those who are not the creators without this infringing on intellectual property rights, nor to do so does one need to be authorized by a school or by its founders, since in our legal system, the representation of ideas is free and is not subject to cult-like behaviors. But what about the U.S.? Okay, I'm going to keep reading. The principle stated by U.S. law and accepted by the Berne Convention as valid for all the countries who are a part of it, and Italy is that copyright cannot be recognized for an idea, procedure, process, system, method of operation, concept, principle, or discovery, regardless of the form in which it is described. And therefore, if Krakauer cannot be the holder of a general intellectual property right on his ideas rather than his works, he cannot have sold it to third parties. So, the object of transfer from Jovian Archive to Human Design Italia cannot be the right to exploit copyright that does not exist. And more, neither it nor its assignees could prevent others from publishing other works on the human design system.